Hey exterior cleaning business owners, my name is Jonathan Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros. In today's video, I want to go ahead and show you guys the updated search results for Google and how it affects pressure washing businesses and exterior cleaning businesses, window cleaning businesses, gutter cleaning businesses, the whole nine. Because now I know that in a video that I made for you guys when it came to local service ads for exterior cleaning businesses that I made on May 9th, 2022, I said that these only show up for window cleaning and gutter cleaning search terms, right? But now they're actually showing up for pressure washing search terms. So the reason why I use this location changer because it allows me to see different locations. And so I put like pressure washing near me in Columbia, South Carolina, right? And guess what popped up? Bam, right? And it says results for Columbia, South Carolina. But guess what popped up? It says window cleaners right here for Columbia. And the local service ads are popping up right here. And then you have the Google ads that are down here now, right? So even for pressure washing search terms, like when I put in pressure washing Columbia, South Carolina, right here at SC, as you can see, these local service ads are popping up right here, right? For these businesses in this sense. So like I said, it's very imperative that you get on local service ads because now they're showing up for pressure washing search terms. And the thing about it is that if I look at here, right? If I look on here right now, there's different categories. So I'm going to go ahead like in the video where I explain, which I will put the link in that video in the description so you guys can go ahead and see it. Because I go over everything. In this video, I'm just going to tell you guys about the updated search or the search results. But to watch how you can set it up from A to Z, click the link below for this video on local service ads for exterior cleaning businesses. Like I said, it's basically 28 minutes. And it goes over everything you need to know in terms of setting up local service ads for your exterior cleaning business, right? But as you guys can see right here, set up your service types. You see there's gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, window cleaning, power and pressure washing. So when you're setting up your local service ads and all of that in these different categories, you can now, if you don't want to do if you don't want local service ads to show up for gutter cleaning or window cleaning, you don't need to do that anymore. You can just check off power or pressure washing and only have your local service ad show up for pressure washing type of keywords and power washing related searches, right? And if you like to do roof cleaning, like I said, now it's not, I haven't seen it when it's come to roof cleaning yet, right? So yeah, when it comes to roof cleaning, I haven't seen the local service ads pop up yet, but it's inevitable. So it's going to end up happening to where, as you can see, because they already have it as a category, once it gets requested enough, it's definitely going to have it. And I know that like roof cleaning is big in like areas like Jacksonville, right? Like Jacksonville, Florida. So if I look up like Jacksonville, Florida, right here, I know it's big in those kind of areas, right? So it's not even showing up in those areas yet. But trust me, like I said, those local service ads are going to start showing up in those areas. Because like I said, if I type in pressure washing Jacksonville and I do this right here, as you guys can see, the local service ads are up and running right now. So for pressure washing search terms, they're definitely up and running, and you guys want to get onto them. Because the reason why I say you want to get onto them is because 30% of people click on ads, right? 30% of people will go ahead and click on all of this space right here, which I just consider the ad portion. 70% of people are going to click, the first 5 results, which are the first 3 map pack results and these, I'd say, first 2 to 3 results, right? That's where 70% of all search traffic is going to, right? But I will also say that, like I said, if 30% is going right here, you definitely want to have local service ads because because as you guys know, I also run a junk removal business as well. And so as you guys know that, our Google ads still outperform the local service ads only because we get way more traffic to our to our Google ads than we do our local service ads, right? But also at the same time, like I said, I would say out of the percentage of people that, click on this, I'd say that 7 out of the ads portion, guys, I'm going to strictly talk about the ads portion. Out of this ads portion, I would say, and solely this ads portion, I'm not talking about organic or anything else. Because as I told you guys, 30% of people click on this ad portion right here, and 70% of people click on the maps and the organic section down here, right? But if we're solely talking about just this space right here of just ads, where it's local service ads and Google ads, I would say that 60 to 70% of people still go to Google ads. I might even go as high as 80% of people go to Google ads still, and then 20 to 30% of people will still go to the local service ads. So, like I said, this is another way that you can monopolize Google. This is another way that you can go ahead and get more leads into your exterior cleaning business, right? So, like I said, if you guys need help setting up your local service ads, if you guys need help with this, setup and all of that, please go ahead and click the description for the free strategy session. Like I said, we can help you go ahead and set up some local service ads for your exterior cleaning business, right? And if you're already a client of ours, you already know that we've been setting up these for you guys already. So if you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, comments, like I said, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.